Nobel Prize 2024 Honoring Brilliance. Very recently, all the Nobel Prize winners for 2024 have been announced. The 2024 Nobel Prize have recognized groundbreaking research spanning artificial intelligence, gene regulation, protein structures, nuclear disarmament, and global inequality. The Nobel Prize 2024 were awarded to John Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton in physics, Victor Ambrose and Gary Ruvkun in medicine, David Baker, Demis Hassabis, and John Jumper in chemistry, Han Kang in literature, Japanese organization Nihon Haidankyo for peace, and Darren Acemoglu, Simon Johnson, and James Robinson in economics for their outstanding contribution in their respective fields. About Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize is the most prestigious award given to the individuals who make significant contributions to humankind in different fields. Was founded in 1895 by Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel, who is known for the invention of dynamite. His will stated that his fortune was to be used to reward those who during the preceding year shall have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind. Nobel's Prize would reward outstanding efforts in the fields that he was most involved in during his lifetime: physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, and peace. In 1969, a new prize was established, the Sveriges Six-Bank Prize in Economic Sciences, in memory of Alfred Nobel. The first Nobel Prizes were awarded in 1901 and they have been awarded annually since then. There have been years in that time when the Nobel Prizes have not been awarded, mostly during World War I and II. In October every year, the new Nobel Prizes and laureates are announced. A Nobel Prize can be shared by up to 3 individuals, or in the case of Peace Prize, it can also be awarded to an organization. What do the Nobel Prize laureates receive? The winners from each category receive the Nobel Prize medal, cash prize, and Nobel Prize diploma. The Nobel Prize amount for 2024 is set at 11 million Swedish kroner per Nobel Prize. Each Nobel Prize diploma is a unique work of art where the design is decided by the prize awarding bodies. Each laureate is presented with 18-carat gold medal. The front of the Nobel Prize medal depicts Alfred Nobel and the reverse side is engraved with the name of the Nobel laureate and inscriptions. The Nobel laureates of 2024. The 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics is awarded to John Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton. They used physics to find patterns in information. They have applied statistical physics concepts in the development of artificial neural networks, which are fundamental in machine learning and artificial intelligence. These help by allowing machines to find and recognize patterns in extremely large data sets and make learning possible. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2024 is about proteins. It is awarded to David Baker, Demis Hassabis, and John Jumper for their groundbreaking contributions to the understanding of proteins. David Baker has succeeded in building entirely new kinds of proteins. Hassabis and Jumper have developed an AI model to predict proteins' complex structures. The 2024 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine has been awarded to Victor Ambrose and Gary Ruvkun for the groundbreaking discovery of microRNA and its crucial role in gene regulation. MicroRNAs are a class of small molecules essential for gene regulation in cells. The research uncovered the complex relationship between specific genes and microRNAs. The 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature has been awarded to South Korean author Han Kang, recognized for her intense poetic prose that confronts historical traumas and exposes the fragility of human life. She is the first Asian woman to receive Nobel Prize in Literature. The Nobel Peace Prize for 2024 was awarded to the Japanese organization Nihon Haidankyo for its efforts to achieve a world free of nuclear weapons and for demonstrating through witness testimony that nuclear weapons must never be used again. Nihon Haidankyo is a grassroots movement comprised of atomic bomb survivors from Hiroshima and Nagasaki, commonly referred to as Hibakusha. The Nobel Prize 2024 in Economics is awarded to Acemoglu, Johnson and Robinson for research that explored the aftermath of colonization to understand why global inequality persists today. They examined various political and economic systems and provided an explanation for why some countries are rich and others poor. Indian Nobel Laureates. India has seen a total of 9 Nobel Prize laureates from 1913 to 2024. The first Indian to achieve this prestigious honor was Rabindranath Tagore, who was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1913 in literature for his exceptionally moving, original and exquisite poetry. C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the world-famous Raman effect. Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1979 in recognition of her work in bringing help to suffering humanity. Amartya Sen received the Sverigers Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences in 1998 for his contributions to the welfare economics. Kailash Satyarthi was awarded the Nobel Prize in 2014 for his work against the suppression of children and young people for the right of all children to education. The following Nobel laureates are not Indians, but rather Nobel laureates born in British India or laureates who are of Indian origin but subsequently non-citizens of India. Hargobind Khurana was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology in 1968 for his work on how the genetic components of the cell nucleus control the synthesis of proteins. S. Chandrasekhar received the Nobel Prize in 1983 in Physics for theoretical studies of the physical processes of importance to the structure and evolution of the stars. V. Ramakrishnan received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009 for his work on ribosomal structure. Most recently, in 2019, Abhijit Banerjee was awarded the Sverigers Riksbank Prize in Economic Services for his experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. Significance of Nobel Prize. All these laureates have made significant contributions to a wide range of fields including literature, physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, peace and economics. It is a range of excellence that honors groundbreaking achievements. As an inspiration for future generations, it motivates young minds to pursue scientific and creative endeavors. It promotes international cooperation and understanding. Advancing human knowledge, it contributes to the advancement of science, literature, and peace.